Hello, Sandra Fuentes with Fuentes Law. If you can't make it, we'll help you break up. Let's talk about child support enforcement. In Texas, the language is pretty clear in any court order with regard to how child support is going to be paid, what's expected, and when it's due. When you have somebody violating that, then a person can file an enforcement for child support. In my career as a family law attorney, I do multiple child support enforcements, usually with ease. However, sometimes the more sticky ones would be ones where a person comes in and they have a child support enforcement against them. And they say, well, I owe this money, but it's because I gave that money to the other parent through cash. Or I gave it to them via like a Zelle transfer, a Venmo transfer. But they didn't put a memo line, child support, month, year. And so then I run into the problem that the other parent's going to say either, yes, that's true, and that solves that issue, or says, no, that's not true. They just gave me that money in addition to, and not in place of the child support amount that they were supposed to pay. So if you're paying child support, you always want to make sure that you put in a memo line, if it's a transfer, what it's for, month and date. But typically follow the court order. Actually have your child support payment deducted from your income and go to the state disbursement unit in Texas. They keep track of everything. They will protect you. There'll be no issues with regard to enforcing your child support unless you do actually fall behind. And then there's other ways for me to be able to fix that for you so you can catch up without getting any of the penalties.